Today I decided to do a Cricut project, and I made a butterfly design on my Cricut Explore 3, and after that I just cut it and weed the design, and after the weed this is the butterfly. And after that I want to also try my mini heat press. I bought it new from Amazon, and I thought to try this machine, that how it works and is it working okay. So I want to like that, so I make a small design so to see how it works. So after that I applied heat. I put it in the high heat setting. It takes time to heat up the machine. So after that I realized that this design is also cold peel, and after that when I make it cold it was not done yet, so I applied the heat again. And it has one switch button, but if you long press the button then it turns on, and after that if you press one time then heat is low, then medium and high. After third time, if you want to make close power, then you have to press the power button again to turn it off.